Time now for Traders Unplugged from the floor. The CME Group Pro Traders Alan Nuckman and Andrew Keene. Happy Friday, guys. Round number one, up and away. Boeing 787 Dreamliner is grounded. What's next for that stock? And will airline stocks run into turbulence?
Well, looking at Boeing, we've had a decent pullback here, and I think you can use this as an opportunity. I'm looking to sell some cash-secured puts to get in at a lower level. Overall, that stock's been trading between 70 and 76 essentially for the year, so it still has a lot more upside potential.
Okay, obviously I'm going to take the reverse side. We're saying where there is smoke, there is fire. Maybe where there's fire, there's actually smoke. So I think Boeing's headed lower. It did have a nice reversal yesterday. It came off the 72.60 level, which is the 100 and 150-day moving average. It tested that 50-day moving average at 74.03, where I thought it actually would get a little bit of selling pressure, bounce up above 75. However, they do have earnings coming out in January. I actually bought some puts yesterday, some Feb 72.5 puts. So I guess I'm going to buy the Feb 72.5 puts, and we're going to sell the 70s against them.
Exactly. And looking at the other airlines, you've got Love, which is Southwest Airlines. You've got Delta. Have already had some pretty extended moves, so it may be a little late to chase the airlines. And typically, they've been a poor investment over the past
with oil
years.
Pretty high.
Yeah.
Round number two, death of the PC. Smartphones and tablets are pushing down computer sales. What tech stock has staying power?
eBay. I talked about this is my number one technology stock for 2013. What'd they do? Another good quarter. I think that's 4 or 5 straight quarters that eBay's rallied afterwards. They have PayPal. They are in the the smartphone market. They're trying to do what Facebook can't do, which is monetizing on a platform of mobile.
Well, that's an old school stock that has rebounded as compared to some of the others, Hewlett-Packard and the IBM selling their computers. So, I'm not smart enough to pick out an individual tech stock since I'm an older investor. So I'm just going to look at the Qs and look at the Nasdaq.
What kind of phone do you have?
Nasdaq has 5% more to go just to make new highs.
Like a Razor?
I have an iPhone, thank you, sir.
Round number three, a whale tale. Jamie Dimon is now losing money in his salary because of the whale trade. What do you guys think about that?
I don't think it really matters if he loses money in his salary if the stock continues to go higher. We actually saw a pullback in banks for the first time this year. The market looks so strong. We saw a pullback yesterday in the banks. Bank of America under the 11.5 level. We saw Citigroup down. Wells Fargo sold off on earnings rally.
Things were up 20% in the banking sector, so a pullback is natural. But the issue here is a $6 billion error, and he still gets paid $11.5 million.
Is he worth it?
So is he worth it? And if you look at it in percentage terms, that's 0.002% of the $6 billion. So that is quite a catch for that CEO.
I like that line, and I want to work for Andrew. True or false, a U.S. software developer outsourced his own job so he could take it easy at work.
I saw this. I actually read this. Yes, it is true. He outsourced it for a fifth of the salary, but it didn't mention which company he works for, because that's pretty genius.
It was Verizon, and the story is being reported. Thanks, guys, for playing.